sardine kefta? We need fillet of sardine cleaned. Take the electrical grinder or use a manual potato masher to mash the sardine into ground meat. Add 4 cloves of garlic and a little bit of chopped parsley and cilantro. To prepare the tagine, take the grated tomato, 1 tablespoon of fresh spices. It has also a bit of paprika and cumin, black pepper, ginger, salt, and turmeric, green olives, slices of green and red bell pepper, chopped parsley and cilantro, preserved lemon, red chili pepper, Moroccan semen, olive oil. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.